Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. All 154 of you that actually still watch my videos. In today's video, we are going to be perming our eyelashes. And I know that sounds a little scary, but yesterday I dyed my eyelashes. I tinted them black so you can kind of see them a little bit better. So I'm really excited to give this a go. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about eyelash tinting and perming, so I'm really excited to try it. And I felt like, what better video to do than see me struggling at perming my eyelashes on camera. If you don't like me or you don't like my videos, please go ahead and click off. There's a little button in the top right hand corner that's red that you can press and it'll close the entire browser. So if you don't like me, you don't like what I'm doing, just go ahead and skip this video. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and start perming our eyelashes. Okay, so this is the kit that I got. It's Lash Lift Kit. I got it on Amazon for I believe like $13 or $14. It says it comes with perm lotion, glue, full 5-size lift pads so you put on your eyelid to like adhere your lashes to, and a cleaning tool. So I'm really excited to use this. The reviews online were really great. So yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is obviously clean my face. I just got back from the pool, so I feel like there's quite a bit of stuff on my face. So, ooh man, those lashes are dark. I love that. Beautiful. Ooh, okay. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You've got your perming solution and all the other stuff here. So where's the instructions at? Because I'm not seeing any instructions. Guys, there's no instructions. Oh, I'm so stupid. The directions are on the back. Okay. Wow. Let's go ahead and get started. It says, use the cleaning liquid to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. I'm just gonna clean it with this a little bit more. Next, it says, apply the eye pads on the under eyelids to protect our skin from the perming lotion. Okay, so those are lift pads. Apply the eye pads on the under eyelids. On the under eyelids? Okay, I'm reading this word for word. Someone's English isn't that good. I don't know if it's me or if it's the people writing this. I don't know, but I'm gonna try to read it again. Apply the eye pads. These are lift pads. Where's the eye pads? Okay. Apply the eye pads on the under eyelids, so I'm guessing under here, to protect our skin from the perming lotion. Okay, let's see if they're in here, because these look like just lift pads. Okay, these are just lift pads, but we don't have eye pads, so I guess... Oh well, I guess that's just gonna have to work. So anyways, next it says, put the lift pads on the eyelash, then apply the glue on the eyelash to keep it stick on the lift pads. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, put the lift pads on the eyelash. So I'm pretty sure they mean eyelid. Then apply the glue on the eyelid to keep it stick on the lift pads. That's what it says. So I'm guessing, I've seen videos on YouTube, so I'm guessing what it means is apply the lash glue on your eyelid, put the iPad on, and then apply more glue, and then scrape your lashes up. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's find the perfect size for my eyelids first. Ooh, these are kind of weird. Okay, this says medium. And she's way too big. Small. That might be the best bet, y'all. So I guess we're gonna do the small one because I have small eyes. Okay, we're doing the small one. So now it says, take the glue and put it on the eyelid pad. Okay, so maybe I have to cut this down because this is too big for my eye. This looks crazy. This is not sticking at all, y'all. Okay, we're gonna take her off again. And we're gonna try a third time. I'm getting so irritated right now, like so irritated. Alright, so I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So it says put the glue here. On here. And then it says rake your lashes up. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the weirdest thing I think I've ever done. If Tim walked in right now, he would be so freaked out. It does take like a hot second to get these eyelashes to stick on here. Alright, now it says use #1 perm lotion, white in color, on the eyelash and then cover the plastic film for about 8 to 12 minutes. So what do I put it on with? A Q-tip? So I got some Q-tips. That looks so weird. It's not coming out, oh my God. Oh, okay. Ooh, man, that smells. Okay, here we go. Whoa, man, that's crazy. Now we wait 8 to 12 minutes. Fuck. Oh my God, my lashes are coming off of the thing. Just gotta wait. All right, so I've left it on for 8 to 12 minutes. Now it's time to do the second step, which is the fixation step. I'm guessing this is like the neutralizer that you would use in a perm situation. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So now we're gonna leave that on another 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, so now it is time to clean this off. So it says, clear the eyelash lift pads. Then use the #3 nutrition lotion to nourish the eyelash. So we're gonna be cleaning this off like that. So far, so good, y'all. Oh, it's taking some of my color that I used on my eyelashes off yesterday. I tinted them black and it's taking some of it off, which is fine because that's what perm does sometimes. So now we're going to put the Nourish stuff on. Just looks like oil.
Just give me the green light. Just give me the green light. If you want me to.
And now we are going to take it off. We need the cleanser. Use this little guy right here. Wow. Okay, Lash Kid, I see you.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over.
Alright. Did it do a whole lot? No, not really. But was it worth it? No, not really. Let me clean it a little bit more here. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash the rest of this off because clearly it's not working like I'd like it to. So I'm gonna go do that and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I feel like it made my lashes look okay. Like it made it lift a little bit, like compared to the other one. So that's nice. Like it makes me look like I actually have eyelashes, which is cool. And it's good because I don't even have anything on them, so that's awesome. Bottom line, is it worth it? I think it's worth it if you're like desperate or whatever, but like, you know, it was like 13, 14 bucks. So if you don't feel like this is gonna give you what you're wanting, don't waste your money. I'm sure you're beautiful without it. But, I don't know. We'll see how long it lasts. Looks okay. I just really want to put mascara on and see what it looks like after that. And then I will, you know, maybe have like a final verdict. I think it looks okay. I was expecting it to be like a little bit more intense. But now like looking at it in the mirror, it does look lifted. Like it does look like my lashes are a lot fuller. So that's nice. But like, is she worth it though? Like that's what I want to know. Is she worth it? And it sucks because now I have to repeat the process on the other side too. So that'll be fun. Anyways, guys, look at the difference. Tell me what you think. Leave it in the comments below if you think that it was worth it or you think it was a fail. I honestly don't know what to think about it right now, so we'll see. And I'll let you know in the next couple days like how it wears, and we'll see how it goes. So anyways, I'm gonna go do the other eye and then I'm going to wrap this up. So I'm not gonna waste your guys' time doing it on camera because I feel like it's better for you to see a comparison as it is. So anyways, that does it for this video. Hey guys, so I am currently editing today's video, and I do have to say, now that I have both eyes done, I do see quite a bit of a difference. I feel like I actually have eyelashes now. It may not be like drastic, but I feel like it's just enough to where you can really see my eyelashes. I've always had kind of thin and piss poor eyelashes. So I feel like it actually works a little bit better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyways, I will probably do this again. It was a pain in the ass, but I feel like if you have very sparse eyelashes, that it's actually kind of beneficial. So, you know I said that I didn't think that it was really worth it, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, it is kind of worth it. So anyways, I do not suggest it if you are inexperienced with using chemicals like Perm solution and things like that. Obviously I'm licensed, so it's like I kind of understand what neutralizer does and Perm solution does, but I feel like the kit is pretty self-explanatory, even though the instructions were pretty vague. I felt like it was good. So I mean, for 13 bucks, I guess it's worth a go if you are like desperate like me. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I felt like I just needed to add that in there. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.
If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me the